Is MEF Grim here, doing a deck profile of my first place I got with this deck. It's windups. I got first place, so I'm going to tell you real quick what I got in this deck. So I use these here. These are good for summoning out other windups. Windup Shark. So when you summon him, use his effect. Sorry, when you summon, you use his effect, get a second one. You use his effect, get a shark out, or whatever. Yeah, the whole drill, you know. Anyway, that's just broken. Okay. 3 rats. Summon out your windup monsters from your graveyard. 3 rabbits. Because to have it banished, if they're gonna die, you can summon or something, you know. Two guides, secret only, German, because they're really good. I usually use hit effect to get our second one because this other monster I use with that is Sangan. I usually use this to get out my other monsters to my hand. It definitely is lower than 16. Yeah. So there's that. Besides kings, but anyway, hand traps. I use 2 max C's because your opponent was summoned a lot, and then I use 2 barriers to vary their effect. Then I used 2 Thunder Kings just to beat stuff down. That's it for the monsters.
What do you value in spells?
So next is the spells. I use 2 factory.
Let's see.
Because 3 cards of field, and 1's not enough. I use 1 couple of arrows because you're going to use a lot of monsters and add them set to the graveyard. Staples, I use Heavy Storm, Austrian Born, Dark Hole. This deck hates back row. I use 3 MST for the back row. Then traps. I use 2 forcery because these are good to take away their exceeds and synchros. 2 finish chains, so the monster's effects is negated and they can't attack. Next I use reinforce 2 of those to destroy monsters on the field. They control. I use 2 Treacher to destroy anything that's summoned for like high attack cards. Then I use 2 of these because they're really good. They destroy the monster. Yeah, I think that's 15 or higher attack that's summoned. I use 1 Deep Prison. I've just banished. I might use 2, but right now this is actually really good because I have everything else that destroys stuff. Yeah, but 1 for now. I use 2 Solemn Warnings. No Judgment because I don't like to take half my voids away just for a summon or effect. That's traps. Now my exceeds or extra deck. I use 1 carrier because it's at 1. I use it a lot. The Leviathan. Examines. I used him one time today, and so far it was really good. The Vienna, I didn't use him at all today. Tempo. I actually used him like a few times today. He was really good. Soul. I used him like quite once. He was okay today, but not great. 1 Brilliant. I use this a lot with my Leviathan, so you can gain up to 28 or higher. 1 Zen Master. Actually, use him a lot today because he has 25 attack with the heroes attached. Base Stroke. 1 Black Silver Corn. Base Waller. This card here actually won me a match against Boomerangs. that's my last match. I got 4-0.
Really?
But I wouldn't.
5-0 today, I mean. Sorry. 5-0.
Tour guide.
Sorry, Master. One.
I've been trying to find a way to
They make fives.
my deck.
It was
So,
it used to destroy
Diva and
one
like a random other
card they control.
Lost
like
blue,
Diva,
Face up.
Diva,
lost blue breaker.
One tearless because they're twins, but one's
and,
evil.
like, my
And he just destroys stuff in the field. I actually used him more than him, but he is really good right now in this deck. He is just amazing.
Put those back right there. I've
And
almost got the entire
Zamayo,
deck. I'm missing Mega
I actually won with him a few times because I destroy stuff on the field set. Good card. So that's my deck file. Thanks for watching. And we have Quick Game Reaper here, signing out.